When you tell your boy that you're into imports and he pulls up thinking that you know how to work on Volkswagens. Hopefully we don't half-ass this job, but it's just a simple oil change.
Which way would it be? Oh no, the 17. Oh fuck. Pushing it up?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Nope. Hell no. Dude, this fucking don't want to come out. Hell no.
Came through driven, chip chip. Came through driven, chip chip.
And then the oil stick, is it this one up front?
Yeah. You're trying to kill me.
This little drain plug is a 17mm drain plug. We're gonna let that start draining 100%, and we're gonna remove some bolts because he actually had a skid plate at the bottom. All right, so them bolts ain't no they might not want to come off, but we're gonna at least get this oil filter off. Okay, so it's true what they say, if you got the right tools then you'll be able to do the job much easier. So as soon as I use that, voila, now the whole thing comes off together.
Yeah.
Ah.
You got metal shavings? Dirt? No, no.
Jeez.
Am I supposed to put this one at the bottom?
So you, on the little filter cap, you gotta remove the actual filter and that little gasket that he removes right there. Well, that's a new one, but he removed this one, that old filter. We're gonna get that new filter on there. We try to make sure that everything is set, so when we put everything back, we are done with this oil change. Just fill it up, back on the road. Another what, 3,000 miles?
Oh, fucking no. Probably another trip to Gallenberg.
All right, so if anybody knows what this one goes to, let us know, and if we have any problems, we'll let you know.
Okay.
Little pliers that are meant for that filter. Turn it up.
How much should I tighten it?
I'm gonna get brake cleaner and we're gonna clean that up.
Oh, you foam stuff?
Nah,
You don't trust it or you just never done it?
don't trust it.
Really?
To clean your engine?
Yeah.
Nah, straight. Alright, we're gonna see how John's skills to pouring oil even with the little funnel are.
They're gangsta as fuck.
Let's see if he makes any mess. Did you open the whole thing?
No?
Only what you need?
Yeah.
This guy. Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh no. I went too high.
You can catch us doing maintenance on a Jetta. What year is it, John?
2007.
2007. Slammed. We'll take a little walk through here in a little bit. Joe 90s.
Oh.
Yeah. So you always lift up the funnel. You don't let it sit.
I don't think that there's that much in there.
Right. Because it hits just anything inside the engine, and whenever you pour the oil in there, it just overflows, and that's where you make a mess. That's where I thought he didn't know what to do, but that boy know. He's been doing his oil changes back in 1994.
Back in 93.
93.
93 when I had that Nissan Audi.
Nissan Audi.
I kind of missed that car.
All done.
Or that's how I'm trying to be right there.
Right. So that's the only way we could actually get a jack. Even the low profile jack won't fit. But look at this hoe. Look at this hoe. Pretty slammed if you ask me.
Still gotta adjust my coilovers.
Still gotta adjust them?
Yeah.
So this side is a little bit lower than the other side, but just in the front. Makes a big difference, but this is how it's supposed to look. Like I said, I'll provide a picture or maybe even a small video of how the car used to look with the other wheels. You can follow the boy at John90s on Instagram.
Don't worry, next year, sometime in January, this is gonna be fixed. And this is gonna be fixed. My back bumper is gonna be fixed. My rear quarters are gonna be fixed. Really. I'm gonna get side skirts and the front lip, get my interior fixed. And my headliner.
Fire.
Little by little is gonna be fixed. Hopefully by my birthday in April.
Y'all heard it. Around April, we're gonna do another recap on how this car looks, and if it still hasn't changed, y'all make sure y'all hit him up and let him know that he lied to y'all. Oh, shit. All right, so on the next episode, we're gonna finish that skid plate. We're gonna get some better tools to do that skid plate. The bolts wouldn't come off. So we're gonna do the rear camber kit.
Maybe the control arms if I buy them.
And maybe the control arms.
More camber.
More camper.
That's -5. Run.
Alright, so my boy left. Great work done today. And we're just gonna let y'all go.